And now that the peg is facing down, now I can constrain it to the hole right here and put it on top. So I go ahead and click constrain. Again, click the center line of that peg, center line of the hole, and now you can see it's put it right there on top. Gonna check my colors. Purple is gonna line up with blue, red lining up with purple here. Those are fine. So I'm gonna click. Actually, I don't want to click the edges yet because they're too close together. So I want to make sure that I don't accidentally click the wrong thing. So I'm just gonna click this cube and drag it up a little. And then I'll go ahead and click the edge and apply it. And there we go. All right, so now I'm going to put this peg right here into this hole right here just so I can show you the process again. So since I already know that the cube's going to go the wrong way, the peg is facing up and I want it to face down, I'm just going to go ahead and do the free rotate now. Free rotate, click on the cube, just move it so the peg is going down. Now I'm going to go ahead and constrain, find the center line of the peg, center line of the hole, apply. But now you can see the purple face is lining up with the purple face below it, red's lining up with red below it. So I'm going to have to spin it here. So I'm going to go ahead and close that, spin my cube, and I'm going to drag it up as well, just so I can get to my edges easier. Constrain, click an edge, and there you have it. Now you can see I can't move any of these cubes. Only one of them has been grounded. So what you're going to do is add 5 more cubes so that you have a total of 10 cubes. And just remember the rules that the colors can't be adjoining and only one cube can be grounded. All right, now when you're done, you'll need to save your project. So you'll go over here to File, Save As. Now again, you'll want to click this drop-down menu here and find your H drive, which is your student ID number and H colon. Right now, I cannot access my H drive, so I'm saving to my desktop. It's the only place my computer will let me save right now since I'm at home. But you want to make sure that you save to the H drive. Otherwise, you won't be able to access your files from a different computer if something goes wrong with the one that you're currently on. All right, so once you've selected your H drive, which is your student ID number and H colon, you give it a file name that you'll remember. So this is my 10 cube assembly. You can put spaces in there. I usually don't mess with spaces, but it bothers some people, so I'll go ahead and put spaces in there. 10 cube assembly, save it. And you'll know it's saved because the file name down here has changed to 10 cube assembly. All right, once you've got all your 10 cubes put together the right way, then you'll need to raise your hand and let me know so that I can come by and give you credit.